We're excited to see what the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 will offer to the best foldable phones market this year, as a few of recent rumors indicate specifics regarding their availability and pricing. First, S-Mobile claims that Samsung customers in India are receiving emails regarding a reservation date this week. This is something Samsung often does, and it serves as a type of pre-order for the pre-order to ensure you're in the line for a gadget. These reservations sometimes include a benefit or two to entice you to register your interest even before you've seen what Samsung has to offer. However, you don't have to put any money down and can quickly cancel. According to these emails, the reservation date is Wednesday, June 26. However, it is unclear if this would be the same globally. It's another evidence that the Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 will be released shortly, most likely on Wednesday, July 10th, in a separate leak via Insider. VAGS Marina has discovered store listings indicating that the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 will be marketed in Europe for €1,340 for the 256GB model and €1,467 for the 512GB model, and that the Flip Foldable will finally be available. For comparison, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 launched at price points of either £1,200/£1,049/£1,649 or €1,320/$1120/£1,149 last year, so we're looking at a price bump of around 11 to 12% on the 2024 model. And I'll keep in mind that this is a source we haven't heard a whole lot from before, and that price increases are likely to vary between regions, but it does match with previous leaks suggesting that both of Samsung's foldables will be more if that happens. There are likely to be a variety of causes, ranging from supply chain expenses to market circumstances. Let's hope there are enough changes coming with the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6 to warrant an increase in their price. Samsung's foldables might face increasing competition this year from OnePlus and Google. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.